In this video, we will show you how to recover the deleted videos or photos on the Xiaomi device. Way 1. How to recover deleted photos or videos in Redmi phone via Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android allows you to recover the deleted photos and videos from the Redmi phone's internal memory or SD card, even if you don't make a backup. 1.1. How to recover deleted photos or videos from Xiaomi phone selectively. Step 1. After installing the program on your computer, please choose the Android recovery module from the interface. Step 2. Plug your Redmi phone into the computer via a USB cable and enable the USB debugging on your phone as prompted. Step 3. When the scanning process is complete, choose photos or videos from the left panel, preview all the thumbnails, and check the items you want to recover. Finally, tap the recover button below to start the recovery process. 1.2. How to recover deleted photos and videos from the SD card on Mi Phone. Step 1. After open the software, please tap the SD card recovery tab. Then insert your SD card to your computer via card reader. Step 2. Choose your micro SD card and click Next. It will scan your SD card files and display them on the interface. Then tap Photos category, select the photos you want, and tap the Recover button to save the deleted photos to your computer. Way 2. How to retrieve deleted photos from Mi Phone with Xiaomi Local Backup. If you have synced your photos and videos to the built-in backup app, you can retrieve deleted photos from Mi Phone from the local backup file. Step 1. Open the backup app on your Redmi phone and choose the latest backup file. Step 2. Click the Restore button to start restoring deleted photos to your device. Way 3. How to get back deleted photos in Xiaomi phone via Google Drive. Assume that you have enabled automatic backup of your photos or videos to your Google account. You can easily restore them from Google Drive. Step 1. Install and open the Google Drive app on your Xiaomi device and sign in with the identical Google credentials you use to back up photos and videos. Step 2. Go to the My Drive section and find and select the wanted photos and videos to restore. Step 3. Tap the download button to get the deleted photos or videos back. Way 4. How to restore deleted or hidden pictures from Mi Cloud. If you use Mi Cloud to back up your device regularly, you will get a chance to restore the deleted or hidden pictures from Mi Cloud backup to your device. Step 1. Ensure that you have logged into Mi Cloud with your Mi account. Step 2. Open the device's settings, Mi account, Mi Cloud, choose the Restore from Backup option. 3. Hit the Restore option. Way 5. How to retrieve deleted videos or photos from Mi Phone via Google Photos. If you have allowed the automatic backup of photos and videos in the Google Photos app, you can get the deleted items back from the Google Photos trash bin within 60 days. Step 1. Launch the Google Photos app on your Mi Phone. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines and pick Trash. Step 3. Select the wanted photos and click the Restore button to find them back. Way 6. How to restore deleted photos or videos from Mi Phone via Gallery app. You can also find the deleted pictures in the Gallery app. Normally, the deleted photos and videos will stay in the recently deleted folder for 30 days before permanent deletion. Step 1. Open the Gallery app on your Redmi phone. Step 2. Click the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner. Recently deleted folder. Step 3. Pick the desired photos and videos from the folder and tap the Restore button.